Good afternoon. I'm Tony Wisker with Great Plains Manufacturing. I want to talk about one of our new products that we're introducing this year. And you can see it behind me. It is from a partnership we have now with Montag. And our Turbo-Seeder Plus, available in 3 different sizes, 2 sizes to mount on a Turbo-Max or a Terra-Max, just like the one here at the show. We also have a 6-ton cart that pulls behind the implement. So great partnership with Montag, best dry metering system in the marketplace. Pair that up for your cover crop applications and get some tillage and seeding done all in one pass. So for all the details on the Turbo-Seeder Plus, please visit us at greatplainsag.com.